Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala Rasoolil Kareem. Mr. President, Excellencies, dear colleagues, with just 5 years remaining to 2030, only 35% of the SDGs are on track. The compounding effects of the pandemic, the food, fuel, and finance crisis, as well as intensifying climate impacts, have reversed hard-won development gains and deepened inequalities. Despite these challenges, Pakistan remains fully committed to achieving the 2030 agenda. Our national development strategies, such as Udaan Pakistan, Take-Off Pakistan, are aligned with the SDGs. Our social protection initiatives, including the Benazir Income Support Program and Benazir Nasho-Nama, the child growth programs, are designed to ensure no one is left behind. To harness the potential of our youth, we have launched the Digital Youth Hub and are expanding access to quality education through Danish schools and new university campuses. We are scaling up climate action, targeting 60% renewable energy by 2030, and enhancing resilience through initiatives such as Recharge Pakistan and the Living Index. A revised nationally determined contribution is nearing finalization. We have also undertaken key macroeconomic reforms to stabilize our fiscal outlook and make the investment climate even more attractive. The Special Investment Facilitation Council is channeling direct foreign investment in priority sectors. While national efforts are essential, these cannot succeed in isolation. As the Secretary General has rightly emphasized, deep reform of the international financial architecture is critical for implementation of the SDGs. Developing countries need scaled-up access to concessional and grant-based resources, meaningful debt relief, and scaled-up climate finance in order to bridge the SDGs financing gap. The Compromise de Salvador, adopted at the 4th International Conference of Financing for Development, offers a clear roadmap. Its implementation must begin without delay. As we commemorate the 80th anniversary of the United Nations, the Secretary General's UN80 initiative offers an opportunity for a climate and critical rethink to strengthen the three pillars of the United Nations and renew our commitment towards timely achievement of SDGs. I thank you all.